Alibaba, a tech giant known for its e-commerce platform, has made significant strides in the field of artificial intelligence. Their latest venture, the Alibaba AI Journal, is set to revolutionize the way we perceive and utilize AI. This publication aims to be a go-to resource for researchers, developers, and enthusiasts, providing insights into the latest advancements and future trends in AI. Part 1. A new platform for AI innovation. The launch of Alibaba's AI Journal marks a significant milestone in the company's commitment to AI research and development. By providing a dedicated platform for the publication of cutting-edge research, Alibaba is fostering a community of AI experts and accelerating the pace of innovation in the field. Part 2. Democratizing AI research. One of the primary goals of the AI Journal is to democratize access to AI research. By making research papers and articles freely available, Alibaba aims to foster collaboration and accelerate the development of AI solutions. This will benefit both the academic community and industry practitioners. Part 3. Covering a wide range of topics. The journal will cover a wide range of topics related to AI, including machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. Researchers and developers will find valuable insights into the latest advancements in these areas. Part 4. Fostering collaboration. The journal will serve as a platform for researchers from around the world to share their findings and collaborate on new projects. By connecting researchers from academia and industry, Alibaba aims to foster a more collaborative and inclusive AI research community. Part 5. Addressing ethical considerations. As AI continues to advance, it is essential to address the ethical implications of this technology. The journal will also feature articles on the ethical considerations of AI, such as bias in algorithms, privacy concerns, and the impact of AI on society. Part 6. The future of AI. The AI Journal will provide a glimpse into the future of AI. By showcasing the latest research and trends, the journal will help us understand where AI is headed and its potential impact on our lives. Part 7. A catalyst for innovation. Alibaba's AI Journal is poised to become a leading publication in the field of artificial intelligence. By providing a platform for open dialogue and collaboration, the journal will accelerate the pace of AI innovation and help to shape the future of technology. Conclusion. With the launch of its AI Journal, Alibaba has solidified its position as a global leader in AI research. This new publication will serve as a valuable resource for researchers, developers, and anyone interested in the latest advancements in AI. As AI continues to evolve, the Alibaba AI Journal will play a crucial role in shaping the future of this transformative technology.